It's liquidy. Oh, look, see? Oh my God. I need to work out. I'm getting old. So in today's video, we have our BOXYCHARM Base Box for the month of March 2022. This is $27.99, so basically $28 a month. So if you want to see what's inside, what I received, and hear my thoughts of BOXYCHARM, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so like I said, this is the BOXYCHARM Base Box for March, and you know, I haven't really been too happy with BOXYCHARM lately because there's a lot of skincare, and you guys know how I feel about the BOXYCHARM stuff, being in Ipsy and Ipsy, you know what I mean, but hopefully this month is a lot better. Okay, so when you open her up and you see the red, then you know it's the base box. Alright, the theme... Oh, come on, get it together. It's called Game Changer. Ooh, I like that. I like the color too. So on the back tells you everything that you got, gives you a little description and gives you the price. You get 5 full-size items. I love the fact that they put like a description on each product, so that's good. And oh, no. Okay. Let me just show you the first thing that I seen, and I'm like, let me make sure it's not what I'm thinking it is. Yes. Yes. We got the Gen Skin eye patches. Now, I literally just got this last month. Last month, I believe. Is it here or... I don't know where it's at, but I literally just got this last month. And I remember in the video, I literally said, did I get this before? You know, or is it a different color? Now, however, these are the ones that I do get gifted to me every month. So it doesn't go by my profile, but they should know if they just sent it to me last month. And then I got it before, just a few months ago. So, I mean, I like eye patches, don't get me wrong, but, you know, you get subscription boxes to try different things, not to keep getting the same thing. However, these are really good. Like, I'm not mad at it, you know. Oh, let me tell you about it. Okay, so these are from Generation Skin. These are the Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches for $49. I wasn't sure if that was an 8 or a 9. And I have been filming all day, and I just got like a hot flash. I had to put my hair up. If you're like, what the hell's going on with your hair? Okay. Yes, look. I got these last month, remember? I kept saying... And you get a little scooper because they stick together, so that's good. And these are the blue ones. I think I had like purple or something like that, but I mean, I do use them. Don't get me wrong. I will use this. It's just, you know, I got it last month. So repeat. Why can't I close this? Let me try this way. Okay. All right, so that's the first thing we got. So already this doubles, well, not doubles, but almost. I mean, you get your value with this right here, you know? Another thing, this is the Luxie brush set. We got this last year. It's really nice. They're eyeshadow brushes, I believe. I don't know if it's face or eye, but we'll look at it. This is the Luxe Florals brush set for $40. It says, soar into spring with a new brush set, featuring 4 new brushes. So you get... Yeah, it's eyeshadow brushes. You get an eyeliner brush. You get a tapered blending brush. You get an eye shading brush. And you get a concealer brush. It says a detailed blending sponge and a pastel purple pouch for $40. I think the difference is now maybe you get a sponge in here. And it might be new brushes, but I know we got this same exact pouch. Why? Why do I know that? Because I literally just had a giveaway and I set my boxes out. And this was one of the things because I took everything out of the boxes and made sure I wrapped everything up really good. And this is one that I gave away. But it could be different. That is a gorgeous color. So you get a beauty blender. And these might be different colors. I think they're, I don't know. But I'm not mad at getting brushes. I love getting brushes. That's not it, you know. Okay, so this is the shader brush right there. And then this is, I'm not sure. This might be the concealer brush. I'm not sure. It's very nice. And this is dense, soft and dense, just like I like them. So that's good. All right, this is the blending brush right here. And again, it's a little soft. I wish it was more denser, but I can deal with it. And I mean, look at the colors of this. I don't know why I'm not taking this out because I'm going to keep it. Very, very pretty. And then here is an eyeliner brush, which I won't use. So I'll probably put this in a future giveaway. And then you get this pouch. This is great for traveling, you know, and it's the perfect size for it. So we have that. $40, I don't know, but I do enjoy Luxie brushes, you know. Okay, so the next thing is Always Optimist Base Illuminate. Oh, Rare Beauty. Okay, so this is the illuminating primer. I love Rare Beauty stuff. I mean, especially her concealer, her mascara. Like, I love her brand. So this is $26. Now, the only thing for me is I have combo skin, so I don't know if I can use this, but I mean, I have on her foundation today. I love it. So it has a pump, so let's see. Okay. All right, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, oh, I could definitely see. I don't know. I'm not going to knock it till I try it because I really do enjoy her stuff. So, you know, when you put the foundation over it and stuff, you know, it's not going to be this blinding, but I'm definitely excited to try it, you know, just to see because I really like her form. There's nothing that I've tried that I haven't liked. I really want to try her cream blushes. So, okay. Not mad at this. The next thing we got is from Lauren Conrad. This is an eyeliner. Oh, what color? Oh, black. And, oh, it's a liquid eyeliner for $20. So, you guys know I don't use liquid eyeliner. Only because my eyes are getting more hooded. I used to always use, like, black eyeliner on top. So, when I do use it, then you can't really see, like, my eyeshadow, like my shimmer shade. So, that's why I don't use it. So, I won't open it because I'll put this in a future giveaway. Yeah. ASMR. Probably see my fat going around. Okay. And last but not least, it's from Frank Body. This is a brightening vitamin C mask. And let's see how much UB. Oh, $19.95. That's not bad. So a vitamin C mask. Vitamin C is really good if you have sunspots or different things like that. I've noticed since I use vitamin C, it has really lightened up my sunspots that you basically really can't see unless you're like right up on me. You know what I mean? All right, so that's what it looks like. I'm definitely excited to try this. So I've never tried a vitamin C mask that I can remember. And it has a pump, so it's liquidy. Oh, look, see? Oh my God.
Is that too far?
That part made me uncomfortable.
Yeah, at the time it seemed funny.
I need to work out. I'm getting old. Okay, so I'll definitely try it, you know? And it was $19.95. All right, so let's recap everything we've got in our BOXYCHARM, and then I'll tell you my thoughts. So I got this vitamin C mask, which I will use it. Is this something that I'm like, yay, doing cartwheels over? No, but I will use it only because I have like sunspots, you know what I mean? We have this Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer. Now, I would not go and buy this only because I have combination skin. I'm oily in my T-zone, but I notice as I'm aging, I'm getting more dry skin. So, but we'll see. I love Rare Beauty. It's Selena Gomez's line. So, that's the only reason why I'm excited. Do you know what I'm saying? But I would not go purchase this at the store, you know? This, definitely, I would never get a liquid eyeliner. And I'm tired of black. Like, can you give me a blue eyeliner? I have a blue eyeliner today from Melt Cosmetics. Can you give me a purple? Can you even give me a nude? Well, I guess you wouldn't want a nude liquid eyeliner. But you know what I mean, right? Like, give me some diversity, like something. Okay, so we have that. We have this repeat item. Like, come on. You know, I just got it last month. And then we got the brushes. Now, like I said, this might be different, but when I seen the package, get it out, hand, the bag, I was like, oh no. But it says the new brushes, and we have this. So I love beauty sponges, so I'll definitely try it, you know. And I do like Luxie brushes. So, oh, where's my card? Because I have to tell you what variation I got. I got variation, oh, 5. Okay, so that's good. I think last time I got like 200 and something, you know? So let me know what you think. If I had to rate this on a scale 1 to 5, 1, I want to throw it away, and 5, I'm doing cartwheels, probably a 3.5. I mean, this really upsets me that we have a repeat item, but I will use it if I get it next month. Oh my God, I'm going to go on the biggest rant. Let's just be real. I'm never mad at getting brushes. I love Rare Beauty. The liquid eyeliner, no. But again, this is gifted to me, so they don't know that it's not going by my profile. I don't even know if they go by profile. And this vitamin C, I wouldn't be excited about, but I do have sunspots, you know? But really, the only makeup item I got in this box, it was the black liquid eyeliner, and I can't use it. The rest, that's the only makeup item. And that's the thing that bothers me. Even though I think this box is great, like I'll use it, but where's the makeup, right? Where's the makeup? I don't know. Let me know what your thoughts are. Would you be happy if you got this box? And what would you rate it between a 1 and a 5? Let me know down below because you know I'm nosy. All right, guys, please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. Leave a comment. That helps me out too. It helps me out with engagement. So let me know what you think of BoxyCharm. Let me know if you would be happy if you got this box. Let me know how your day's going. Leave an emoji. Don't forget to turn your post notification bell on. That way you get notified when I upload my other unboxings. And I also am doing makeup reviews. I also filmed this look. It's all Makeup Geek. So make sure you turn your bell on so you know when that video goes live. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most important, let me try that again. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I mean, it's not a bad box, but I can't believe they sent me this, and they already sent it to me last month. I mean, that's crazy, right? And the only makeup product is a black eyeliner. I don't know, like, what happened to you, BoxyCharm? I used to be excited. I used to love you. Like, what's going on? What's going